ties at hand. Nah, that's super weird. But starting off, no weirdness. Only sweet, accurate legends from the 90s. Wow, that thing's clean. I always wanted one of these. But Queen don't let me buy nothing. No. It was up to me. It's up to me. I'd buy this. And hey, buddy. It's perfect.
That makes sense. It gives you in the face especially.
Hey, buddy.
He's more narrow and pointed in the face.
Hey, buddy.
I mean, it's change of the season, you know. Go home, give him a good brushing, you know. It's all somebody access. Gorgeous. I'm gonna go check out the little American guy over there. Thank you. I love your ring. It's stunning. Thank you. You're welcome.
It's catastic. Catastic. Nice stuff. Nice stuff. Back with another one, guys. So, on the scene, Chucky and Queen. We everywhere, they never there. And today, at Catsbury Cat Convention, and Queen got on the mask. She's allergic, but she's a trooper.
So you can't touch them because you touch kitties.
Uh-oh. She's just walking through, checking out the sights. It's cool. Cool. And look at the cat packs.
Wow. Look, the 3D plate frame.
No, I like all of that.
I like this one.
Doing anything about right on. You got kittens? Who's got kittens at the moment? You're like, no, I will not do bottle babies. Thank you for doing the kid. I won't do bottle babies either, so thank you. I need my sleep at this point. Thank you guys for doing the work that you do. That's what it is.
I love all of these.
Oh yeah, like just little pins, and some of the little framed ones are just like magnets and stuff.
So yeah, we're just walking through the vendor section right now and checking everything out. But yeah, guys, we just, you know, got to do what you love. Do what you love in life. Do what you love in life, and it'll always be fun, and you'll always smile. Always remember that. So let's go find Queen. And yeah. So this is Mindy, guys. Mindy. She's eating. She's eating right now.
I just want to sleep.
He's taking a nice, Danielle, he's taking a nice little nap. That's okay.
Look at the little paws.
I wish I could take a nap like that right now. Pat them in the back of the head. That's usually where a cat, that's usually a safe.
You know how they make food special here?
Yeah. Hey! Okay? Little baby.
It looks great. Look at that.
Travel cat. Oh, look at all the different cat carriers.
Wow.
That's cool.
It also does convert into a double bag.
That's beautiful. Beautiful stuff. Got a crocheted cat right there. Right there.
To hold your tissues.
Yes.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Look.
Oh, I like that. It's beautiful.
Oh, there's three of them. The markings.
Hey guys. Hey guys.
He's sleepy.
He's sleeping. guys. They're sleeping. All right, guys. And just like that.
I get to.
Just like that, we're gonna close it out. That's the queen with a capital Q. Better remember, show us some respect. Show us some respect. But anyway, respect. We're gonna close this one out here. On to the next adventure. So until, like always, peace, love,